I'll be working on what's it called? The target condition list. So let's go into abilities. So there'll be target conditions, and I'm going to grab a list of them. Why is this loading? Okay, I think target condition, and then maybe some base class. It's going to be abstract because we don't want to attach just empty target condition. So I think this will have an abstract bool that says is target valid, and we'll take in a battle unit target. Oh, it's abstract, so we don't need this. I think that's it, because each of the target condition subclasses will have their own way of distinguishing if a target is valid or not. Just wondering how best to actually map this out. Let's check our prefab. If we come into this here, we can attach an object. Maybe that's what we do. We make a separate object for target condition, and this will have all of the components that we need. And then we can have, say, a different target condition here. Maybe one for the foe and one for the ally or something. All right, so so I don't know if it's actually going to use it right now. Because it's not a simple case of just grabbing all of the components and the children, because then it'll lump them all together, which is not the goal. Maybe I need a container for this as well. Let's go target condition container. So in here, just nothing for now, just nothing. So target condition container, but something's broken. Be this thing. It'll be the ability, wherever that's gone. Yep. Target condition container, and then we can do a get return get component in children target condition container. It's this is going to be an array though. Get components. Okay, so we get these containers instead of the target conditions themselves. Slap that there. Put that there. Yeah, so we've got target condition container, and on here we can start attaching our conditions. So let's write one. So I'll do a pretty simple one. This is going to be a live target condition. So this is simply saying, is the target alive? Why? Okay, there we go. So this will obviously change in the future, but for now it's what we've got to work with. If the health is more than 0, we class them as alive, and so they can be targeted. So if they are an ally, we attach the alive target condition, and if they're a foe, we're probably also going to want to only target alive foes. So this is saying you can't use the fire ability on something that is dead. What else? We haven't got alliances built in yet, but I think that would be pretty quick and easy to set up. So let's just get it in entities. So alliance, is that good enough? And then some kind of enum that that actually holds the alliance types. So this will be like none, neutral, hero and enemy, maybe. Um, alliance kind of sounds like what you would want the enum to be, but then it means the thing you attach is going to be some kind of horrible name. So this could be sort of none, neutral, maybe player and enemy. Maybe we'll just, instead of creating a component, I feel like we should create a component. It, it'll hold a lot of different logic that we'll use later on. Okay, maybe unit alliance. Unit alliance. It's not the best, but it's functional. It will simply hold a private alliance of alliance. We will hold a property that is alliance. Get that. But then also a set alliance that will do this dot alliance equals alliance. So we're being very strict about obviously setting something and locking them out of changing it. Yeah, locking them out of changing it when we don't want to. So reducing the risk is essentially all we're doing. There's no enemies right now, so that might have to change as well. Alliance should have been its own video, damn it. And then I could have added enemies. Um, Alright, let's check out the prefabs. Go to unit, add an alliance. Um, by default, we can set it to player. That's kind of silly. Let's go none. And then for the four that we're creating manually here, we will set them to player. Struggling to focus here. Come on, keep your mind in the game. So now we have alliances. I can make is ally target condition, and then maybe is foe. These can probably be wrapped up into one. Just say alliance target condition, and then state whether it's an ally or foe. Because hmm. So if I just make this alliance, and I'll create another enum that is maybe target type. So this is where it would be none for no target. Maybe self. Ally for all. So alliance target, we're gonna add this in here. Serialize field private target type target type. So there should be some way of distinguishing if you are a matching alliance or a foe, or if they're neutral, I suppose. So this is one when we do need to pass in a user, ability user and ability target. User, is there another one? Yep, another one. Okay. So in unit, rather, yeah, maybe it's battle unit. I don't know if we're ever going to care about who's our enemy or ally when out of combat. So in the battle unit itself, we will have public bool is ally, and then have another battle unit, other battle unit as opposed to this one. Public bool is foe. Maybe I can just do this but return the type of enemy. No, this is fine, this is fine. Because we don't want to know if someone's neutral. We're specifically saying, are they an ally, are they a foe? So I guess the unit has an alliance on it, right? Doesn't it? We've attached it, but we are not accessing it anywhere. It's a unit alliance, get return, get component, unit alliance. Okay, and I guess the battle unit probably does use this enough that it should have its own property. Unit aligns return unit aligns. And now that I think about it, this probably shouldn't be on there. It should be in the alliance. Is ally, and we'll just pass in an alliance rather than a unit. So return alliance equals other alliance. Return alliance is not equal to other alliance. This isn't right either. Is a foe someone that's neutral? Is a foe someone that's neutral? This might be fine. Anything that isn't your alliance is against you and can be attacked. Is ally? Maybe it can just be if it's your ally or if it's not your ally. Let's just go with it for now. Maybe later I'll realize I don't like this and we'll want to change it to something. Alliance target. So target type. This isn't really alliance though. This is target type. What am I doing? But the target type is important because we are looking for friend or foe, not anything else. If it's ally, return user dot unit alliance dot is ally target dot unit alliance. So is this doing what I want it to do? I think so, but it's not covering all the cases. I think having neutral and none kind of throws a spanner in the works, but it's also really valid. You may want something that's neutral, a neutral combatant. In Disgaea, the neutral ones will fight against both lots of people, the player and the enemy. And none is just if it's a door. Maybe a door can count as neutral. Maybe is four neutral? Maybe I just don't care. Maybe I don't care about neutral. It can be a faux if I want. Yep. If it's an ally. And this is alliance. So we should only be interested in friend or foe. So maybe I need to get rid of this and just replace it with friend or foe. Mm, Um, ally or foe is equal to ally. Maybe this is fine. It can be changed at a later time. So let's see. Fire. It's actually inside. Alliance target condition, we will set that to ally. So you must be an ally if we want these effects to run. Must be a foe if we want these effects to run. Um, I need to add one more maybe for if they're dead. So a live target condition, and let's add in a dead one as well, just for revives and things. Uh, dead target condition, and the HP should be less than or equal to 0 for it to be valid. Okay, can't really test that right now, but I think I'm gonna cut this video short, and the next time I will work on adding some effects, effect containers, so that'll be hit rating and things as well. Yeah, this is a maybe this won't even be a video of its own. Maybe I'll just tack the other video onto the end of this one.